Welcome to my wash and go routine. First off, before I even get into the products and everything, I just want to say I have been natural for 10 years, and I would say that my hair texture is kind of, it's not really considered coarse, but of course it's very coily, and I have a lot of hair strands, but the actual strands are not super thick. Now that we've gotten past that, I do double cleanse. All the products will be in the description, by the way. I want to talk more just about the process versus the products. But of course, with the wash and go aspect, the products do kind of matter. But yeah, I really do feel like I've learned a lot from curl specialists, especially the idea of double cleansing, using a clarifying shampoo first to kind of get the scalp clean and remove any buildup, since I do use, gel products. I do have to really work it in there. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing a glove because sometimes with my gel nails, it gets caught. But this is what it looks like after the first cleanse. And you can really see the curls are popping. Also, this color, before anyone asks, Elaine, she was the one that did it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the custom color is. This was my second cleanser, and it is a hydrating cleanser. So this is more so to just add moisture to my hair, make sure that it's nice and prepped for the styling process. And again, I work that through the strands, making sure I start to detangle just a little bit, not a full detangle, but just kind of finger detangle. Now we're deep conditioning. I do deep condition every wash day, which happens to be like 1 to 2 times a week, depending on if I want to, refresh my style. And I really like this one from Briogeo. Elaine recommended this as well because it does have protein in it. And again, since my hair is colored, it does need a little bit more protein, but also it's not so much that it's going to make my hair like super dry. It's a good moisture balance, which I really like. And it has so much slip. I can, you'll see later me detangling, but I really love this product. This is I've repurchased this multiple times at this point. And again, you can see my curls really popping through, and that feels like, to me, it feels like it means that it's pretty moisturizing. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a curl specialist. You should go to one if you can. They definitely have a lot of resources. If you can't, you can join their online courses. Elaine has a great one. I personally haven't joined, but she's had great reviews and responses to it. I then deep condition for 30 minutes using this hair dryer. My hair loves heat. I tried not doing heat for a minute and it did not work. My hair was so dry. So I've gone back to using heat to deep condition to really penetrate my hair. I detangle with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I really like this. I realized that using it kind of vertically works a little bit better for me, and also brushing against the palm of my hand kind of helps, and then also running it under water, which I didn't really show as much here, but I definitely love detangling under, the stream of water to help kind of make the tangles come out easily. It looks like I'm being rough, but I promise I'm not. After that, the styling process. So Uncle Funky's Daughter Curl Stimulator is my base gel. So that means that I'm using this product primarily for moisture versus hold. It's a very soft hold product. And I've heard from a lot of people that they've had trouble with it because they say it's sticky when it dries, but you need to have soaking wet hair in order for this product to work, okay? You have to literally, that's why I do this in the shower. There's no way for me to get the results I get out of the shower. And then I use this topper gel by InnerSense. I create hold. You have to let it foam up. Again, make sure it's soaking wet hair. Continue to add water to your hair as you're working it in to really activate it. It is super concentrated, so you don't have to use a lot. I tend to go a little overboard because I want more crunch. I do live in a super humid place. The South is so humid right now. So even with this combo, I would say it's still not the hold I'm looking for. I'm actually a product that has a stronger hold because, again, humidity wins every time. I've noticed my hair swells up a lot. So I'm still trying to find the good, but this is great for the winter. Like, I love this wash and go for the winter, and it would work really well in drier climates, I'm assuming. So yeah, I can do this for each section. I section off my hair in like 4 sections and just continue to work it in, and you can really see the definition coming through. I just like to, again, finger detangle, but my hair is pretty detangled at this point. I just don't really feel the need to go in with the brush again. I just rather like kind of shingle my hair and kind of individually like define the curls. I feel like me embracing wash and goes has been like is rediscovering my hair. I really love it. I was told shaking it kind of helps again with that definition process. But yeah, I feel like even though there's obviously a lot of shrinkage and everything, I've just really loved to see my hair in this state. So to set the style, I use this hooded dryer. This has been the best investment ever. Now, whether or not I would recommend this specific one, I'm not sure because I do get wet spots. And that's what I use this dryer, this handheld diffuser dryer, to get the wet spots because my hair, like I said, is pretty dense. So I get the cast aspect, but it's still a little wet. I tend to use scrunchies whenever I want to like divide up my hair, if I want to get to certain spots, and I also use these scrunchies to maintain the hairstyle as well. So yeah, like I said, this is me using the scrunchies to stretch out my hair. And if I'm not going anywhere, I'll keep it like this. But I did actually end up stretching my hair further using the nozzle attachment, which I didn't show. But that's how I was able to get it a little bit more stretched, to get a little bit more volume. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.